welcome you back in my geography class. I hope all of you are doing well. So today we are going to start? Today we will start with another new topic from the chapter Agriculture of class 10. In our earlier videos, we have discussed about the major food crops that grows in India. And today we are going to discuss about the food crops other than grain that grows in India. There we have 5 food crops other than grains that grows in India: sugarcane, oilseeds, tea, coffee, and horticulture crops. In this video, we will only discuss about sugarcane. This video has been divided into 3 parts. In the first video, we will discuss about the sugarcane. In the second video, we will discuss about the horticulture crops and the oilseeds. And in the third video, we will discuss about tea and coffee. So without wasting much of our time, let us start with sugarcane. So let us know about sugarcane. First, let us know which type of crop is sugarcane. Sugarcane is a plantation crop. I hope all of you remember plantation farming, where a single type of crop is cultivated on a large plot of land. So sugarcane is a plantation crop. Now let us know India's rank in world in terms of production of sugarcane. India's rank in the world. India ranks second. So we can say that India is the second largest producer of sugarcane in the world after Brazil. So Brazil is the largest producer of sugarcane in the world. India is the second largest producer of sugarcane in the world, and China is the third largest producer of sugarcane in the world. Now let us know which is the cultivation season of sugarcane. Cultivation season. Now sugarcane can be cultivated annually. In India, thrice in a year, sugarcane is cultivated: in autumn, in spring, and in July, which we call as Atsali. So these are the 3 times when sugarcane are cultivated: autumn, spring, July. Generally, if we will talk about the time when the sugarcane is planted, then it is from January to March. This is the time of planting. And from the month of December to March is the time of harvesting. In many states, we will see that sugarcane is cultivated throughout the year. So it is grown throughout the year. Like if we talk about North India, in North India, we will see that they cultivate sugarcane in autumn and spring, like from January to February, and again from September to October. Whereas if we will talk about the peninsular region, then we will see that they are cultivated from the month of February to March, and again they are cultivated from the month of October to November. Now let us know about the type of soil that is preferred for the growth of sugarcane. Now let us know about the type of soil that is preferred for the growth of sugarcane. Now sugarcane can be grown in any type of soil, that means in any class of soil, but the soil should be well drained and fertile. So it should be well drained, fertile soil, which should be 100 to 150 meter deep, with good drainage. Preferably, we will see that this grows well in soil alluvium, light clay, and the best suited is the moist clay loam soil for the growth of sugarcane. Now let us know about the geographical condition in terms of temperature and rainfall which is required for the growth of sugarcane. So in terms of geographical condition, first let us know about the temperature. In terms of temperature, sugarcane needs warm climatic conditions to mature. It needs a temperature between 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. The most important is that it needs much sunshine for 12 to 14 hours at the end of the growing season. So, sugarcane needs sunshine for 12 to 14 hours at the end of the growing season. Why? To produce cane with higher sugar contained. So more will be the amount of sunlight and more will be the sugar contained. So much sunshine is required at the end of the growing season so that it can produce cane with higher sugar contained. Now let us know about the rainfall. Now let us know the amount of rainfall that is required for the growth of sugarcane. For the growth of sugarcane, it requires a rainfall of about 75 to 150 centimeter of rainfall. In areas of less rainfall, there also we can cultivate sugarcane. How? By artificial irrigation or water provided by the canals. So by the artificial irrigation system or by the water provided by the canals, we can cultivate in those areas which receives less amount of rainfall. The most important point that we need to remember in terms of rainfall for the growth of sugarcane is that if there will be too heavy rainfall, then it will lead to low sugar content. And if there will be deficiency in rainfall, then it will produce a fibrous crop. So we can say that neither too heavy rainfall, neither too less rainfall is suitable or appropriate for the growth of sugarcane. As we can see, that too heavy rainfall will produce low sugar content cane, and in terms of deficiency in rainfall, it will produce a fibrous crop. So the optimal rainfall that is required is about 75 centimeter to 150 centimeter, and in areas of less rainfall, they can utilize artificial irrigation system or the water provided by the canals. Now let us see which are the areas where sugarcane are mostly grown. The areas where sugarcane are grown are the Satluj Ganga plain, the belt of black soil, and the coastal of Andhra and Krishna Valley. Now let us see which are the states which dominate in production of sugarcane. In India, the states of Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra are the largest producer of sugarcane, or we can say the major producer of sugarcane. Other than Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh, sugarcane are also grown in Andhra Pradesh, in Tamil Nadu, in Telangana and Karnataka. So the major producers of sugarcane are Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra. Other than Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra, we can see that Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Telangana and Karnataka are also the main producers of sugarcane. Or we can say that these are the states that dominate in the production of sugarcane. Now let us know the main points or the most important features that we must remember while reading sugarcane. Important features that we must remember, or important points that we must remember for sugarcane are: number 1, sugarcane is a type of crop which can be grown both in tropical and subtropical climate. So we can call sugarcane as a tropical and subtropical crop. Sugarcane requires a large number of manual labor, or we can say human hands, because a lot of work has to be done by the manual labor, from planting, crushing, irrigating, harvesting. So we can say that a large number of manual labor is required to do all the work from planting, crushing, irrigating, harvesting. Also, it requires huge capital investment. So we can say that this is capital intensive. As we know that sugarcane is a plantation crop, and we have already learned the features of the plantation farming, where we have learned that it requires a huge number of labor and also it is capital intensive. So sugarcane also requires a large number of manual labor and it is capital intensive. Sugarcane requires 10 to 15 months, even sometimes 18 months to mature. So the maturity period of sugarcane is 10 to 15 months, or it can be more than 15 months, that is even 18 months. Sugarcane is the main source of gur, khansari and molasses. So sugarcane is a main source of gur, khansari and molasses. Now let us see that how much sugar is used by the gur and khansari industries and how much by the sugar industries. 2/3 of the production of sugar cane is used for making of gur and khansari, and only 1/3 is used by the sugar industry. The sucrose that is obtained from sugarcane is used as a raw material in the food industry. Even we will see that it is fermented to produce ethanol. Now Now, sugarcane exhausts the fertility of the soil. So, the sugarcane exhausts the fertility of the soil so quickly and so extensively. So, if we need to cultivate sugarcane, if we need to do the cultivation of sugarcane, we need huge doses of fertilizers, pesticides, so that we can cultivate sugarcane. As sugarcane exhausts the fertility of the soil so quickly and so extensively, so it is very important to use high doses of fertilizers, pesticides to cultivate sugarcane. So in this video, what we have discussed about sugarcane, which is a food crop other than grain. Sugarcane is one of the main crops that are cultivated in our India, as we know that India is the second largest producer of sugarcane after Brazil. In this video, we discussed about which type of crop is sugarcane, which are the climatic conditions required for the growth of sugarcane, what amount of rainfall is suitable, what type of soil is preferred for the growth of sugarcane, which are the areas where sugarcane are cultivated, which states dominates in the production of sugarcane, and the most important and key points that we must remember while we read about sugarcane. I hope all of you understood what has been taught in today's video. If you have any problem or any suggestion, you can comment in the comment box given below. If you like my video and if you feel it is worth watching, do share it with your friends and don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get further notifications of my upcoming videos. Stay tuned, I will be back soon with the second part of this video where we will discuss about the horticulture crops and about the oil seeds. Till then, take care, stay safe. Thank you.